This is the Leatherman Wave, one of Leatherman's most popular multi-tools. The Leatherman Wave features all stainless steel grips, smoothly contoured for good gripping action. The grips also include a scale on each side. Here's the inch scale and the metric scale. And the same thing on the other side, the metric scale and the inch scale. The Leatherman pliers are needle nose in shape and feature the round toothed gripping area here, and the needle nose portion is flat with serrated teeth for better gripping area. Also included are the soft and hard wire cutters. On the outside of the case of the Leatherman Wave are one-handed opening knife blades. This one has serrated teeth and is positively locked into place. This is a smooth knife blade and it's locked into place also. This is a diamond file combined with a cross-cut file on this side with straight cut teeth down the edge. This is the saw blade, and it also firmly locked into place. Now, the balance of the Leatherman implements are carried on the inside of the handles. This side includes the large screwdriver, a very small screwdriver that is actually reversible and is a small Phillips and small straight screwdriver, and the scissors. This side of the Leatherman Wave includes the bottle opener, combination can opener, and the bit driver. The bit driver holds both a straight screwdriver bit and a Phillips screwdriver bit. And both of these implements, same as on the other side, lock into place. The Leatherman Wave is available with a leather sheath or a nylon sheath and a 25-year warranty. Get equipped, get a Leatherman.